Now here's a little gem that I had picked up at the comic book store. It's a classic book. This is kind of a one-off. Iron Man and Submariner #1. They only did one of these. And this is the issue, so it's kind of a classic. It's one that you want to keep. Now, this one's graded at about a 3.5. At first onset, it looks pretty good, but it's really crinkly. Let's take a look at the what the edges look like in the raking light, and let's see what we're going to do with it afterwards. Okay, everybody, here we are after the pressing. As you can see, what a difference a good pressing makes. No more wrinkly cover. What a huge difference. Really pleased with how this came out.